see what Nico's doing today.
I'm going to break this, and then I need to,
Jeez, my fireplace is so loud. Ugh.
There, and then my doorbell's installed. But honestly, where's Cash? I haven't seen him all day. So I'm probably go see what he's doing.
Hi, Nico.
Cash, what are you doing?
I was gonna come see what you're doing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I have a mailbox. Let's see what's in my mail. Nico?
I think that is an invitation. Is that your play button?
Yes, Nico. Yes.
Cash, are you a YouTuber and you didn't even tell me?
No, I did, Nico. You were sleeping when I told you.
Oh my gosh, I wish I would have been a YouTuber with you, Cash, but I guess it's too late now. I was asleep.
I feel like I would look good right here.
But Cash, what if someone steals it? That looks really cool.
Nico?
What?
You wouldn't steal it, right?
No, I wouldn't. I promise, Cash. I can earn one for myself. I know I'm a comedy person. I could easily get it from Comedy Cash. Who am I kidding? I'm not funny. Cash, where is it? Okay, that looks really cool. Let me.
No, Nico, get
I'm not
away.
gonna steal it, Cash. I'm just gonna look at it. Stealing is bad. Remember?
Nico, get away from it. I don't want
I just
you.
want to look at it. It's so cool.
I don't want anybody near it.
Gosh.
Get away.
Cash, it's so cool. Why can't I have one?
No, because you
How many
can't.
subscribers do you have to get that, Cash?
100,000.
Oh my gosh, I'm never gonna get 100,000 subscribers. Cash, do you want to come back to my house?
It only took me 2 months. Come on.
2 months? Cash, that's a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm never gonna reach that many subscribers. 2 months, Cash, that's so quick.
Come on, Nico.
What do you do on YouTube, Cash?
I just post Minecraft videos of us.
Cash?
Yeah.
Why are you so crouchy around my mailbox? Did you put something in there?
No.
Gosh, I have a feeling you did, Cash. But whatever, I trust you. You're my friend. So come on, Cash, we should go upstairs. But honestly, I don't know what to do. I'm pretty bored.
Where's Mia? Or like Zoe
I
or
don't even know where Zoe is today.
Shady?
Zoe or Shady.
What
I don't
about
know where
Kid?
anyone is.
What about that kid?
Oh my gosh, you mean the kid?
Yeah, the kid.
I think he was on vacation because he hasn't bugged us in a while. But Cash, where do I get the setup to make YouTube videos? Because I kind of want to.
I'll go buy you one.
Okay, bye, Cash.
But wait, do you want to come with me so you can pick out a light blue one?
Sure, why not? Let's go. Okay, Cash, you don't have any mail, but I have a bunch of junk mail, Cash.
Do I?
No. Yeah, Cash, I think I'm just gonna ring your doorbell for the meantime. Because Frank taught me to ring the doorbell so that way it's respectful. I think that's what the word was. Cash, is this your setup?
Yeah.
You don't even have the keyboard.
You realize I have an AI controlled keyboard.
No, you don't, Cash. Oh my gosh, I just have a normal keyboard. Everyone else has AI and stuff. Oh my gosh.
Nico!
What?
I just gained 200,000 subscribers.
And how much do you need to get a gold play button?
1 million.
And how close are you to 1 million?
800,000 more.
Oh my gosh. Cash, are you gonna reach 1 million right now?
I don't know. Wait.
I'm gonna take over Cash's channel. Hold on.
Where's my silver play button? Okay, good.
Hey guys, Nico here. I'm just gonna record myself and get a lot of
Nico, get out of here.
gosh. Oh my gosh. Maybe Cash, I don't think you being mean to me is gonna get a lot of views.
I'm not even gonna post it.
Oh my gosh, look at how you are gonna post it. Yes, you posted it, so now people won't like it. Bye, Cash. Oh my gosh.
I don't think he realizes I can content delete it.
But
And done.
honestly, now I just need to go back to my house and relax.
Nico.
I've been doing all day. Oh my gosh, I just need to sit down. And hello guys, it's Nico here. And today I'm going to be recording myself and hopefully getting a lot of subscribers.
Nico,
Oh my gosh.
I content deleted it. L.
You can't do that.
Yeah, you can.
Well, Cash, come here. I think I have something to tell you. Look at how many subscribers I already have, and I just started
How much do you have?
100,000. When Cash is having, I'm gonna get my very own play button.
Yeah.
How long does it take?
About a couple days.
Okay, Cash, I hope I do get a lot of these. Oh my gosh, Cash, should we just go to the park?
Sure, but let me check how much I have.
You probably reached 1 million already. I wouldn't be shocked.
Oh god, I need to make a video.
Cash, I'll just make it for you.
No, move.
I'm getting 100,000 subscribers already. Hey guys, it's Nico here, and today I took over my friend Cash's setup. Oh my gosh, and I locked it, so you can't post it. You can't unpost it unless you have the pin.
I already know my pin, bro.
For people that don't know, the pin is right there in my hotbar. It's 83.
Okay, well, 83. Perfect.
Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna go to the park. Oh my gosh, guys, I think I found out one of
Thank you guys so much for 830,000 subscribers. This really means a lot.
Screen, right? I should pull out my screen.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Right? Oh my gosh. How long does it take to break a screen? My hand hurts. Oh my gosh.
I might go see what Nico's up to.
Ow, ow. Oh my gosh. Ow, this hurts so bad. Oh my gosh. Finally got it.
Nico, what happened?
Nothing, Cash. I'm just gonna run.
You realize that video of you punching your computer got viral?
No, it did not. Is it on my channel?
Yeah.
Yes. How many subscribers do I have, Cash?
You have. You only have one.
Guys, I found out Cash's biggest secret. He has orange stars in his
No.
I used to play a game called Bed Wars. It was really fun.
Leave my house now.
You don't have to talk about how I lost all of my games because I didn't play for over a week. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go back and hopefully place down my monitor and get a lot of subscribers.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
Cash has, let me refresh really quick.
Dan, make a cut of you sleeping.
No, don't record yet.
No, I mean like just to make sure I'm already recording.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Okay. Honestly, that was such a long day of making videos, and I just want to go into my bed and take a long nap. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. And half of my room is missing now, but whatever.
Delivery for Nico.
Delivery for Nico. I think that's my place. My place one is here. Oh my god.
Oh!
It's so cool.
Wait, where's mine? Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Did I drop it? Oh my god, I already dropped it. It looks so cool right there. Oh my god, it's so cool.
Man. I hit 1 million. Let's go.
Why is Cash screaming this early?
Let's go. Yes.
Probably reach 1 million subscribers.
Yes.
Oh, wait a second. I forgot that YouTube sent me it because I'm his neighbor, so I just have this in here so I can just give it to Cash at any time. And there, I should just ring his doorbell. Delivery for Cash.
Ooh, delivery. I wonder what that could be.
It's at the bottom of your stairs.
Yay!
Reaction, that was really cool. And I should probably go talk to him. I should bring my play button with me to make sure no one steals it. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. I can't believe I reached 1,000 that fast. And this does it instantly break. I think it does. Yep, it does. I can just click and it's broken. I need to go show Cash my new play button. Oh my god. Cash,
I might go.
100,000 subscribers and look what I got.
I hit 1 million.
When? Overnight?
Yeah, overnight.
Oh my
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna race you, Cash. Oh my gosh, Cash doesn't know I have a shortcut through here. And last one on the swing. What's something nice? Gets $1 million.
First.
Oh, God. You were first, so I get the $1 million. Cash, where's my $1 million?
No, you said first.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. I'm good at parkour. Yes. Shady. I'll name everyone's code. Shady, Zoe, me, Cash, and Mia. And this is Cash, me, Shady,
Nico, Shady, Zoe.
Mia, and Shady.
Ah!
Cash, I don't think we can play basketball with our play button. I don't want to break it.
Can I see yours for a second?
Can I see yours for a second?
I don't have mine. Mine is in my room.
Okay, then no. Oh, gosh. Cash, go! Give me my play button back! Oh, my gosh. Cash is going to break my play button. Oh, my gosh. Cash scratched my play button. That means I'm going to go break his.
No, Nico. No. Nico.
Nico, scratch the gold one, and I'm going to record. I'm going to post that video of his,
Nico. No, Nico, we can talk about it. Nico.
I got it. I'm running. I just need to get home and lock my doors. Thanks for that boost, Cash, actually. That actually stung me really far. Okay, now I can lock my doors, and I should be safe. Cash, you're not supposed to break into houses! Otherwise, I won't give you your play button back, ever.
Give me it now, or I will make you not respawn.
Cash?
No, I'm
I
kidding.
don't think I want to give it back now.
I'm not going to
We
make you...
always respawn. We always respawn, Cash. You're dumb, because we always respawn. We can just call the police on you.
Please help. Nico took my play button, and now he's going to kill it.
No, I'm not. You scratched mine, so honestly, I scratch yours.
Not even a scratch. Bye, Nico.
Oh my gosh. I forgot that the gold one is more invincible. Whatever, I think I just gotta make more videos. Oh my gosh, all I have to do is click this mouse for hours. It's taking so long. Oh my gosh, you can literally hear the clicks and the pain of me typing and stuff. Oh my gosh, it takes so long. But wait a second. I think I need to get out of bed again. I'm so tired of clicking the mouse. Or maybe I could just sneak into Zoe's candy shop and get a lot of views for that. Or maybe I should go to school. No, I think I'm gonna sneak into Zoe's candy shop. I hope Cash doesn't see me. Okay, Mission Impossible music.
Hey, guys. I'm going to be breaking into Zoe's candy shop.
I'm gonna just sneak here.
Nico,
Cash?
I'm going to be sneaking.
No, I was here first, Cash.
No. Stop.
And Zoe touched them before she left. Perfect. The way I like that. I'm just gonna sneak back here because Zoe never lets me back here. I'm just gonna keep sneaking. Okay. Another monitor. Okay, now I need to get out of here before. And now I can just call the cops on Cash.
Nico, you wouldn't.
I'm just gonna go into why would I want to go into my house when I can go into Cash's house and steal his play button again?
Nico, no, don't you dare.
Just go. It's not even here, Cash. You have it.
No, Nico. I don't. You know why? I hid it in my secret room.
You don't have a secret room, Cash.
You're right. Can I tell where I put it?
Where?
I put it up here.
Oh my gosh, I know where you put it, Cash.
Where did I put it?
What is a secret chest? Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna leave. I can't take this anymore. And I gotta go click that mouse again. And I think I should check my subscribers because I was at 100,000 like 2 days ago. Oh my gosh, 1 million subscribers! Oh my gosh.
Nico, how's your channel doing?
What are you doing here, Cash?
How's your channel doing?
1 million subscribers. My play button's on the way. It's been shipped already. You have it.
No, that's mine.
Cash, you have it.
No, this is mine.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, I'm sorry I actually broke through your window.
Oh, can you just go place my glass back? I can just place it back because Cash is too lazy to do it himself.
Okay. Wait, Nico, before you play...
I was just gonna... Okay, Cash, I can break it. Just drop it for me and then... Oh, yeah, I guess you can just do that. Okay, bye, Cash.
Bye.
And now I'm just gonna go to bed and hopefully get something in the morning.
Delivery for Nico?
Delivery for Nico again? Oh my gosh. I'm getting so much... Oh my god, but why did I get 64? Whatever. Honestly, I'm not gonna think much. That's a lot. And
Nico.
What's happening?
Nico. Wake